Let's go outside and try this noise cancellation. Right, there's a storm outside and I'm standing in a storm, so it's quite noisy out here. And I'm holding the mic, the DJI Mic 3. As you can see, there's a blue light on, which means it's connected to the camera, but noise cancellation is not on. So this is without any noise cancellation. I believe you can hear all the noise from the storm, from the trees. And I'm going to turn on the noise cancellation now. So double tap the record button. And the light turned green or yellowish. So can you hear a difference? Because the storm is still going on and the trees are still moving. What do you think? So that's the DJI Mic 3 noise cancellation. Let's go back inside, man. I'm cold and it's windy. I don't want to get blown away.